you are new to my YouTube channel, I highly recommend you guys to press subscribe videos on this channel on how to make money online, how to make money on YouTube, so you don't want to miss that out. So make sure to press that subscribe button. So I have talked about this method before, but I want to make updated version. So that is how you can go and take and re-upload someone else's content legally and make money from it. So first of all, there is this YouTube channel that has over 3 million subscribers, and if you go and click on videos, you're going to see that they have some crazy amounts of music that you can actually go and re-upload it for free. So right here you can see that this music is not copyrighted. If you go and play it, you can hear the music. So what is the point of this is that you can go and get this content for free, re-upload it on your YouTube channel. You can see right here it says that you can download this music for free and you can go and reuse it and you're not going to get copyright strike. So how are they making money from this? They're going to send it on Spotify, iTunes, so they're going to sell it there or something like that. I don't even know, but I want to show you guys how you can go and take advantage of this kind of channels that are offering free music, and you can, as I said, reuse it on your YouTube channel and make money from it. So if you go, for example, this YouTube channel, they're doing exactly the same thing, and this channel is another example where they give you guys free music that you can go and re-upload on your YouTube channel. So the biggest one that I want to talk about today is this vlog, no copyright music. So I want to talk about this channel specifically because if you go, for example, and play this music right here, you're again going to see that this channel is not copyrighted. So this music on this channel is not copyrighted. You can go and reuse it on your YouTube channel. So right here it says license. You're free to use this song in any of your videos, but you must include the following in your video description. So you need to copy and paste in this in your YouTube description, so that way they're going to give you guys the license to reuse it on your YouTube channel. So that is the only way. So if you want to reuse their videos on your YouTube channel, you need just to go and copy and paste this in your description, so that way they're going to get small promotion from your YouTube channel and you can reuse their material in their in your videos and on your YouTube channel. So I want to talk about how you can make money from this. So you can see that they don't have many views on every single video. Sometimes they have 20,000 views, 50,000 views, but if you go and see, because they have many videos, you can see they have over 700 uploads on their YouTube channel. They're going to add up those views, and you can see right here this channel is getting around 7.5 million views every single month. So this channel right now at this moment has over 169 million views. So if you calculate this, how much money you can make, for example, $2 for every 1,000 views, and $2, I know it is a little bit low for 1,000 views, but in this niche you can expect that amount of money. So if you monetize your videos with AdSense, let's say $2 times almost 7.5, so that is $15,000 just from AdSense. So I want to show you guys a second stream of income that you can create from this type of videos, and you can earn even more money than $15,000 from this amount of views. So first of all, I want to show you guys how you can go and take these videos. So let's go and take some random one. Let's see this one right here, 52,000 views. So if you go and play it, what we want to do is we want to take only music from this video. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So first of all, you want to take this URL of YouTube video and you want to go and use this YouTube to MP3 converter. So basically this is going to make this video into MP3 file, which means it is going to be only music. So we're going to download this right here, press on download. It is going to take a few seconds to create this video file into music file. So right here they have done it. So let's go and click download. So right here we can see we have downloaded the music from this video. Now what we want to do to make our YouTube channel monetizable. If you want to monetize your YouTube with AdSense, they no longer allow you guys to put just images. So right here you can see they have some animations in their videos, and this is not no more monetizable. So you can't monetize your YouTube videos with AdSense if you have still images in your videos. So how we can change that? So we can go on Pixabay, and right here on Pixabay you can find some random beautiful videos. So you can combine those videos and create, let's call this like a music video. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take, for example, this free video, and again this is free to use. You don't need to worry about getting copyright strike. You're not going to get copyright strike if you use these videos. If you use some other videos, you can get copyright strike. So let's go and download this video right here, and we're going to download it for free. We're going to download a few videos so we can make our video more beautiful. So we don't want to make something that is a still image, or the image that is going to be over and over again. So we're going to jump and take, for example, a few beautiful images and create, let's call our music video. So now we have downloaded all the files that we need to create this YouTube video and YouTube music video, and to upload it on our YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do it. So first of all, if you don't have a video editor, there is tons and tons of free ones. I'm using actually paid one, but if you don't have any money, I highly recommend you guys to go on Google and search for free video editor. So there are tons of free ones that you can use them. You're going to do the same job as I'm going to do in today's video. So if you don't want to pay for anything, just go on Google and search for free video editor. So what are we going to do now, guys, is I'm using Camtasia Studio. Also, if you are interested in that, you can check that out. But what are we going to do now is we're going to take all of the files that we have downloaded and we're going to put it in our video. So let's go and create small video. So first of all, you want to put the sound or the music of the video. You can also cut some parts. You don't want to make a same duration of the video as it is original. So you can see right here, this video is 3 minutes and 29 seconds long. So we're going to cut it to 3 minutes and 23 seconds long. So let's do that. Second thing is we're going to put these free, not copyrighted videos. Also, if you want to, if you don't want to get copyright strike, make sure to download from the website that I have shown you guys. That is the only way, so you don't need to worry about getting copyright strikes. So we're going to put some of these beautiful videos. And so guys, let's go and check out how our video looks like. So you can see we have some of, and you can also hear there is a music in the background. So just to show you guys, but also what is really important is we have our video that is beautiful, and this way when you combine these beautiful videos, this is going to look like some kind of music video, and that way you're going to be able to monetize your YouTube with AdSense. You don't want to upload still images like this channel did, because from now on this is not available to get monetized if you have still images in your videos, because this is YouTube where you upload videos, not still images. That is really important to know, guys, if you want to get monetized. So now we have created our video. I want to show you guys how you can go and find sponsors for your YouTube channel. So first of all, there is this website called, I want to show you guys, Shoutcard. So basically what you can do is you can go and sign up for Shoutcard, and this is for influencer marketing. So if someone wants to pay you guys to promote something, they can do it. And you can see here are the biggest names that you can even imagine. Akon is on Shoutcard, and he's doing shout outs for $195. So if you want to pay, for example, this Akon guy with 47 million followers on Facebook, if you want to pay him to post something, you can do that for $195. So that is how he's making some money from this website. So what you can do right here is you can find the influencers that are related to you. You can see there is Instagram, Instagram story, Twitter, YouTube. So what you want to do is you want to find someone that is related to you. For example, if you have, I don't know, 5,000 subscribers, you want to see how much money they're going to pay you guys to do paid promotion. For example, this TikTok guy with 1,000 followers, he's requesting $10 for a shout out or promotion. So that is how you can go and find these big names that can pay you some money to do paid promotion, to post something in your video at the end of the video. That is my example. So for example, if you're doing paid promotion, they pay you guys $50 to put at the end of the video right here their promotional video. So you can do that and get paid also with influencer marketing. So that is second way that you can monetize your YouTube channel. If that is something that you're interested in, make sure to test this method out. Test if you can grow your YouTube channel and make some money from it.